Did you know that managing your diet can significantly impact your blood sugar levels during pregnancy? Let's explore how a balanced meal plan can help with gestational diabetes. In today's video, we're going to discuss a one-day meal plan specifically designed for those managing gestational diabetes in 2024. Gestational diabetes can be a daunting challenge for expecting mothers, with dietary choices playing a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Although it may seem overwhelming, understanding what to eat and when can make all the difference. One of the biggest misconceptions about gestational diabetes is that you need to cut out all your favorite foods, but that's not necessarily true. With a little planning and creativity, you can still enjoy delicious meals while keeping your blood sugar levels stable. By making a few simple tweaks to your diet, you can ensure a healthy pregnancy. A balanced diet is essential for managing gestational diabetes, and it's more than just cutting out sugary foods. It's about creating a meal plan that's rich in nutrients, fiber, and protein. When you eat nutrient-dense foods, you'll feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of blood sugar spikes. Additionally, incorporating low glycemic index foods into your diet can help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, you'll be well on your way to creating a meal plan that supports your health. We'll break down a full day's worth of meals and snacks, explaining the importance of balanced nutrition while keeping blood sugar levels stable. From breakfast to dinner, and even healthy snack options in between, we'll cover it all. Our meal plan is designed to be flexible, so you can easily swap out ingredients and interchange different foods to keep things interesting. Whether you're a busy mom-to-be on the go or someone who enjoys cooking up a storm in the kitchen, this meal plan is perfect for you. Starting your day off with a nutritious breakfast is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. For our breakfast option, we'll be making a delicious avocado and egg toast on whole grain bread. Step 1. Grab 2 slices of whole grain bread and toast them until golden brown. Step 2. Slice an avocado into thin pieces or mash it into a smooth paste, depending on your preference. Step 3. Heat a skillet over medium heat, add a little oil if desired, and fry 1 or 2 eggs to your liking. Sunny side up, scrambled, or poached. Step 4. Spread the avocado over each toast, place the egg on top, and sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also add a dash of red pepper flakes for a little heat, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for extra flavor. This dish is packed with healthy fats, protein, and complex carbohydrates, making it the perfect way to start your day. Next, we'll move on to a quick and tasty mid-morning snack that's ready in minutes. Berry chia pudding. Step 1. Combine a handful of fresh berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, with almond milk in a glass container. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds on top. Step 3. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the chia seeds to absorb the almond milk and create a pudding-like texture. This snack is not only delicious, but also provides a boost of fiber and protein to keep you satisfied until lunchtime. For lunch, we'll be making a hearty grilled chicken breast with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Step 1. Season a chicken breast with salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you enjoy, such as garlic powder, thyme, or rosemary. Step 2. Grill the chicken breast over medium heat for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side, or until it's fully cooked and has a nice golden brown crust. Step 3. While the chicken is cooking, prepare the vegetables. Chop veggies like bell peppers, zucchini, and broccoli, then toss them in olive oil, salt, and pepper. Step 4. Roast the vegetables in the oven at 400 Graham-Steves, 200 degrees, for about 20 minutes or until they're tender and slightly crispy. Step 5. Prepare a serving of quinoa according to the package instructions, which usually involves simmering it in water for 15-20 minutes. Once everything is ready, plate the grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, and quinoa for a balanced meal with lean protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. To curb your sweet tooth for an afternoon snack, we'll also be making no-bake energy balls using rolled oats, peanut butter, and honey. Step 1. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 2-cup of peanut butter, and 1 4-cup of honey. Step 2. Stir the mixture until everything is well combined. You can also add optional ingredients like dark chocolate chips or chia seeds for extra flavor and nutrients. Step 3. Roll the mixture into small balls, about the size of a tablespoon, and place them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set. These bite-sized treats are the perfect way to satisfy your cravings without spiking your blood sugar levels. Finally, our dinner option is a slow-cooked beef stew with sweet potatoes and carrots, perfect for a comforting yet diabetes-friendly meal. Step 1. Start by browning cubed beef in a skillet with a little olive oil. Step 2. Transfer the browned beef to a slow cooker. Step 3. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped sweet potatoes, a handful of chopped carrots, and any other favorite vegetables like celery. Step 4. Pour in about 3 cups of low-sodium beef broth and season with salt, pepper, and herbs like rosemary or thyme. Step 5. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3-4 hours until the meat and vegetables are tender. This hearty dish is not only comforting, but also packed with nutrients and fiber, making it an excellent diabetes-friendly dinner. The highlight of our meal plan will be the delicious yet diabetes-friendly recipes that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. One of the most common mistakes people make when managing gestational diabetes is cutting out entire food groups, but that's not necessary. By making a few simple tweaks to your favorite recipes, you can create delicious, healthy meals that the whole family will enjoy. In addition to our meal plan, it's essential to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water, and avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice. By incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to managing your gestational diabetes. Remember, managing gestational diabetes is all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. To wrap up, we've covered a comprehensive meal plan that not only supports your health, but is also enjoyable to eat. If you found this meal plan helpful, be sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and check out our other videos for more tips on your pregnancy.